Need to restore files from a Nero BackItUp backup with NFB extension? These backup archives contain your important data from Nero's backup software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through restoring these Nero BackItUp file backup files. Spoiler alert, this isn't magic. It's the result of knowing which single sophisticated NFB file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. An NFB file is a proprietary backup archive created by Nero BackItUp software. Users encounter this file when they need to restore personal documents, photos, or system settings from a previously created backup. The primary user intent is data recovery, after a system failure, migration, or accidental deletion. The .NFB format is a compressed, proprietary binary container. This design prioritizes data integrity and efficient storage by bundling multiple files and their metadata into a single, manageable archive. The proprietary nature ensures that restoration can only be reliably performed using Nero's own software. For full compatibility with NFB, use the proprietary Nero BackItUp developed by Nero AG. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows reveals only minimal attributes, so content retrieval depends on a matching backup suite. To open this specific format, right-click your NFB file and select Open With. If Nero BackItUp is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the key. If the NFB file won't budge, stay calm. We're skipping the panic and focusing on the facts. Let's quickly review the common technical reasons your system is reporting this specific NFB error. First, restoring with Nero BackItUp. Install Nero BackItUp software which created the NFB file. Launch the application and use the restore function selecting the NFB backup file. The software lists backed up content allowing selection of files and folders to restore. Choose a destination and start restoration to recover your protected data. Next, browsing backup contents. Within Nero BackItUp, use the catalog browse function to view backup contents without full restoration. The interface displays the file and folder hierarchy from the NFB archive, enabling selective recovery of specific files. This is useful when only certain items from the backup need restoration. Finally, recovering without Nero. If Nero BackItUp is unavailable, contact Nero support for restoration assistance or look for legacy versions on archived software sites. Some users report success extracting NFB contents using various developers' archive tools, though success depends on whether encryption was enabled during the original backup creation process. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.